Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm going to get to it. So this sketch for all three took me 3 minutes, and I'm not entirely sure whether it's a success or not. I know the nose was positioned wrong because it was the face was very slightly turned, so the nose should be slightly angled and it's not, it's right bang in the middle. And the eyes are too large and too wide, so I was trying to aim for the eyes like this. However, I went back to my old original way of doing it, which was slightly too wide. I don't know why I done that. Don't know whether I wasn't thinking about it. I don't know, but not going to try and give myself excuses. I'm just going to try and learn from it. So there was a couple of things. The nose was slightly too long in the first one. Second one, it was positioned wrong. The third one was slightly better, but the eyes are just a little bit too wide. However, I'm not trying to be negative about the whole entire page. I am still trying to think I am improving. I am improving in accuracy, ratio, timing, the layout, the structure, everything. So yeah, let me know what you think and get back to me. Thanks guys.